Hello children, today we will see 3-digit subtraction. But before that, let us see how to do subtraction and what are the terms that are generally used in subtraction. Now here you can see the keywords that are generally used for subtraction. These keywords are take away, less than, minus, left, remains, difference, decrease, subtract, how much more, how many are left. These are some of the terms that are used for subtraction, and you can see the symbol of subtraction here, that is a small sleeping line, a dash. That is a symbol of subtraction. Now let us see how to do 3-digit subtraction. You already know 2-digit subtraction. Now we will see 3-digit subtraction. Here you can see the word subtract. Subtract means what you have to do? You have to subtract, you have to minus. Okay, you can see the symbol of minus here. 654 minus 321. Now these two are 3-digit numbers. So what we will do? First we will write these places of these digits. Okay, now this is ones. What are the places in a 3-digit number? It is ones, tens and hundreds. So let us first mark it. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Now what is the number? The larger number is 654. We always write the larger number on the top and the smaller one below it to subtract it. Okay, so here which is the bigger number? 654, and in this number 654, 4 is at ones place, 5 is at tens place, and 6 is at hundreds place. So we will write 4 at ones place, 5 at tens place, and 6 at hundreds place. Minus 321. We will put the symbol of minus. 1 at ones place, 2 at tens place, and 3 at hundreds place. Now we will start our subtraction. Okay, and what did I tell you? How we will be doing our subtraction? Using backward counting. So after 4, for whether it is addition or subtraction, you know it very well. We start our subtraction or addition from ones place. चाहे addition हो या subtraction, उसे कहाँ से start करना है? Ones place से. So at ones place the numbers are 4 minus 1. So हम 4 के बाद से हमारा subtraction start करेंगे. कैसे करेंगे subtraction? Backward counting से. So after 4 we'll start our backward counting and come up to 1. 4 के बाद से backward counting start करेंगे और 1 तक आएंगे. You can do it using your fingers or you can make lines. After 4 let us start 3, 2, 1. After 4 I represented it here using lines, or you can do it on your fingers also. After 4 it is 3, 2, 1. So how many lines are there? 3. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Then coming to tens place, ones place subtraction is done. Now we will come to tens place. At tens place 5 minus 2. 5 के बाद हम अपनी बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे और 2 तक आएंगे. ओके, सो आफ्टर 5 it is 4, 3, 2. How many? 3 fingers. Okay, 3 fingers or 3 lines. You can take fingers or lines. So 5 minus 2 it is 3. Now coming to hundreds place, 6 minus 3. After tens place we will come to hundreds place, 6 minus 3. After 6 we are starting our backward counting and will go up to 3. After 6 it is 5, 4 and 3. Again here also it is 3. So here also it is 3. So what is the answer for for this subtraction problem? 654 minus 321 is equal to 333. Okay, let us see some more problems to understand how subtraction of a 3-digit number is done. Now see this question. Find the difference. Now what you have to do? Again here you can see symbol of subtraction. This word difference means subtraction. Some terms are there. I have shown you those terms which generally mean that you have to subtract. Now this difference means subtraction only. Okay, so now let us start our subtraction. First what we will do? Ones, tens, hundreds. I have marked these places. These are 3-digit numbers, so I marked 3 places. We will see which one is a larger number. This is a larger one, 743. So I'll write in this number 743. 3 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place, and 7 at hundreds place. So 3 at ones place, 4 at tens place, and 7 at hundreds place. Now I'll put the symbol of subtraction. The next number is 637. In this 7 is at ones place, 3 at tens place, and 6 at hundreds place. So 7 is at ones place, 3 at tens place, and 6 at hundreds place. Now we will start our subtraction. Now you know it very well. Addition or subtraction, it has to be started from ones place. So we'll start our subtraction from ones place. 3 minus 7. We can't do 3 minus 7 because 7 is larger than 3. So what we will do? We will go to tens place and borrow 1 10 from here. Okay. Now here are 4 tens. We will take 1 10. Number of tens here becomes 3. And 1 10 has been taken. Now you know 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. And 3 ones were already there. So plus 3. It becomes 13. Or in short, what we can do, this is a ones place. At ones place 3 is there. Just before it will make a small tens place and mark 1 over there. Why I had made a tens place? Because 1 10 has been taken. So it will be put in tens place only. Now the number here is 13. 13 minus 7. Okay, so what we will do after 13, we'll start our backward counting and we will come up to 7. We can do this using fingers or you can do it making lines too. Okay, here I am doing it making lines. You can try it with your fingers also. After 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, after 13, I started my backward counting and I went up to 7. After 13, it is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So, how many it is? 6. You can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, it is 6. Now, 3 minus 3. Same numbers are being subtracted. So, 3 minus 3, it becomes 0. And 7 minus 6. After 7 it is 6. So we came directly to 6. So 7 minus 6 is 1. That is written 1. Okay. I'll show you one more this type of question so that you can understand this concept in a better way. Okay. Now see this. Take away 129 from 362. Now this word take away also means subtraction. Okay, take away, it means subtraction. Take away 129 from 362. Now these are also 3-digit numbers. So what we will do, you cannot see the symbol of subtraction here. But this word take away means you have to subtract. Now for 3-digit numbers, I am marking 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Now in these two numbers, 362 is a larger number. So we will write it first: 2 at ones place, 6 at tens place, and 3 at hundreds place. 2 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place, and 3 is at hundreds place, minus 129, 9 at ones place, 2 at tens place, and 1 at hundreds place. Now we will start our subtraction and you know it very well. we have to start our addition or subtraction from ones place. Now in ones place the numbers are 2 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 2. 9 is a larger number. So what we will do? You don't have to subtract it in reverse manner. 9 minus 2. That is wrong. The number here is 362 and that is a larger number, though its ones place is smaller. So what has to be done? You will go to tens place and take one 10 from there. So here 6 tens are there. Instead of that 5 tens will be left and one 10 is bought here. So the number here becomes 12 minus 9. After 12 we'll start our backward counting up to 9. That is 11, 10, 9. How many are these? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Now coming to tens place, 5 minus 2. After 5 we'll start our backward counting and we'll come up to 2. So after 5 it is 4, 3, 2. 3 digits. After 5 it is 4, 3, 2. That is again 3. Coming to hundreds place, 3 minus 1. After 3, we will start our backward counting and will come up to 1. After 3, it is 2, 1. So, how many lines? These are 2. So, it is 2 here. So, take away 129 from 362. The answer is 233. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Try more questions of these type, 3-digit subtraction question, and learn it properly. Okay, thank you children.